Hello, my friends. You are watching my channel, and today we'll learn what is differentiation. Differentiation is not a dragon in your life, in the math. It's just a simple thing, and we just do it more practice. Then it simply solve it by any queries. And today's topic is what is differentiation, and those students are science students. They understand me that what is differentiation. In the words of science, instantaneous instantaneous the rate of change. The rate of change, it is a differentiation. We calculate it by derivation. And in the science, in the chemistry and physics, we denote it by curly and del, and derivation is denoted by generally dy by dx, and in the science dx curly x by curly y, and in the chemistry curly del x by del y. And just I saw what is differentiation, what is the use of the differentiation in the science, in our education, that for understand it, we draw a picture demo of graph. It's just a demo graph. It's x-axis and it is y-axis. Okay, and I draw a curve, and you see in this curve, at that point it is straight, and we say that it is constant, and after this point it's again constant. And what is the change comes, that is in this point, in the between of P and Q, and we calculate it by derivation. Just we draw the how much change comes in it, and we give a name. At the y-axis we give name dy, that is small change point, and that is dx, come change point, and we solve it by dy by dx, and we solve it how much change comes in the point P and Q. Just we solve it, and we find it how much change come in the point, and you are listen the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is equal to dy by dx. Then I clear the doubt of slope of tangent, how it is equal to dy by dx. It's make a curve, and I draw it. Okay friends, and this is straight line. When produce it is produce it is a straight line, and you see that straight line it touch this curve, and you know that which line touch the circle, which line touch the circle, that line is tangent, is that point is tangent. And this straight line it's work like a tangent for this curve. Okay friends, now again it is a question is slope is equal to dy by dx. It is a science that we learn at the for before it, that is a use in the physics chemistry, but slope it use in the engineering line. Just like we I understand you, I draw a picture of ladder, that is a small ladder, and that is a middle point of this ladder. Middle point, and that is any pole at there. You know the use of ladder. What is the use of ladder? Then we stand it by inclined shape, in a inclined shape. Before it is in the position of horizontal. It lay down on the ground, and its height and not change to stand it. Then what is the change comes in this ladder, that is theta, that is angle, comes a small change that we show by the angle, in the angle, and we calculate how much change in the position of the ladder we, we determine by dy by dx. Just to think that height of this wall from this point, it is 10 meter long, and that base is 20 meter long. Then what is the derivation? Dy by dx, it is a small change. Just you think, it is a demo, just you think that is a small change dy, and that is a small change is dx. Okay, then we write it dy is equal to a 10 meter, and dx is equal to 20 meter. Solve it, it is 0.5 meter. I mean to say 0.5 meter just to comes change in the position of ladder. I think all the queries of all the students about derivation, differentiation, it is solved, and its use you know it is used in physics chemistry, and just you learn, just you practice of derivation and solve all the queries is so simple thing, and it is solved. Thank you, friends.